outside. Well, just about to.
Just a little bit ago. Over there.
Look at this.
You know how the weathermen always have to get right in the nose of the storm?
Yeah.
One just died.
What?
Yeah, in North Carolina covering the storms.
No way.
Thank you. It might scoot just that way. Unless
It looks that way.
Yeah, it looks more dark over there.